What if I told you I made $100 in crypto without day trading, without timing the market, and without staring at charts? Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how I earned my first $100 in passive income just by using Binance's built-in features. I'll show you what I used, how much I started with, how long it took, and the exact setup so you can do the same. And the best part? It all runs in the background, even while I sleep. Let's get started. Let's talk about the concept first. Passive income in crypto means earning money on your assets without having to trade or do anything actively. Think of it like getting paid interest, dividends, or staking rewards. It's the crypto version of make your money work for you. Platforms like Binance offer tools that allow this. Auto invest, which is like DCA or dollar cost averaging. Simple earn, flexible or locked savings. Staking, where you lock your crypto to help secure networks and earn rewards. And launch pool. In this video, we'll focus on the three that worked best for me. Now, why did I choose Binance out of all platforms? Options. They offer a wide range of earning products. Low minimums. I could start with as little as $10. Rewards variety. Flexible or high APY, depending on how long I'm willing to lock my crypto. Security. They've invested heavily in SAFU, secure asset fund for users. And importantly, the interface is easy to use, even if you're new to crypto. So here's how I broke down my approach. I started with $300 total. I divided it into three different strategies. $100 into auto invest buying BNB weekly, $100 into simple earn, flexible USDT, $100 into locked staking for coins like DOT and Matic. I didn't go all in at once. I started with $50 in auto invest and slowly expanded as I got more confident. First up, auto invest. It's Binance's version of a DCA tool, dollar cost averaging. I created a plan to buy $10 of BNB every Monday at 9 a.m. Here's how to set it up. Go to Earn, Auto Invest. Choose a coin. I chose BNB for growth and utility. Set frequency, amount, and funding wallet. Confirm, and you're done. After 8 weeks, my BNB stack grew nicely, not just in coin amount, but also in value. Next, I used Simple Earn, kind of like a high-yield savings account. I deposited $100 in USDT into the flexible version. The APY was around 4%. Sounds small? It adds up. I received daily rewards, credited every 24 hours. I could redeem any time. No lockup meant I had flexibility. After 30 days, I made around $4.55 just by parking my stablecoins. Finally, the big earner for me, staking. I staked DOT and Matic for 60 days. DOT APY 11%, Matic was 7.5%. Yes, the funds were locked, but I did the math. With $100 split between the two, I earned around 750 cents in 2 months. Add that to other gains, and it boosted me over the $100 passive income milestone. Staking is powerful, but make sure you don't need the funds urgently. Let's break down the numbers. BNB Auto Invest, appreciation plus rewards. USDT Simple Earn, $4.55 flexible daily interest. DOT Matic staking, $87.30, rewards value gain after unlock. Total, $100 exact in passive income. That's without trading, without risk exposure to futures or leverage. This wasn't all smooth sailing. There are risks you need to understand. Coins can lose value. Even if you earn interest, your capital might drop. Locked staking means you can't sell during dips. Sometimes APY changes without notice. My tips. Only stake what you don't need soon. Stick to major tokens. Diversify your methods. Don't rely only on staking. If I had to start over, here's what I'd do. Begin with just $10 or $20 to test. Use auto invest to remove emotion. Avoid staking unknown tokens for crazy APY. Passive income works, but it's a long game. Consistency is more powerful than one-time bets. Absolutely, you don't need thousands. Just $10 can get you started on auto invest. The earlier you start, the more time you give your earnings to grow. Passive income isn't magic, it's small moves, done consistently. So that's how I made my first $100 in passive income on Binance. It wasn't instant, but it was real, sustainable, and now it grows month after month. Want to try it yourself? Use the links below to sign up for Binance and check out the tools I used. Don't forget to like this video if it helped you, subscribe for more crypto insights, and leave a comment if you've earned passively from Binance. I'd love to hear your story.